Wait, what?
It looks like two saggy boobs. It's grandma boobs.
You're making fun. Oh my god. Now everyone can see my cat has a... Oh, look at her. You say that and she... Look how she's sitting.
Hey. You got a dick.
Zeda. Don't you think... And she goes and licks her tail in that moment. Are you crying yet? I can see you crying right now. Look at her. Clean those beans. Or is that her tail? Is that her leg or her tail?
She's letting me touch it. Like, can I just... I want to push her over.
I want to push her. Look at. She's ashamed now. Oh God.
I've done that to mom's cats before, and sometimes they fall off the chair.
Are you crying yet? I want to zoom in on you. Don't you? Oh. She's no longer ashamed. That's one happy cat. She's like,
What does that look for?
you keep interrupting her during bath time.
Your scream of terror. It's her war cry. Hi.
Oh, she is not enjoying that. Let go of my cat, you dork. She's like, hell no, hell no, hell no. Look at her.
With attention.
That's with you when I try to give you a hug just saying thank you. And you're like, flinch up.
Yeah.
That was a mouthful, wasn't it, for a kiss?